Hey everyone! Are you passionate about woodworking and looking to turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle, or even a full-time business? This video is for you. We'll be diving into the world of woodworking projects that are in high demand, exploring what sells well, and discovering effective strategies to market and sell your unique creations. Get ready to unlock the potential of your woodworking skills and build a thriving business around what you love. Now, let's talk about the hot commodities in the woodworking world. What are the projects that people are eager to buy? Think beyond the typical. We're talking cutting boards, charcuterie boards perfect for entertaining, adding a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Custom furniture, from statement coffee tables to stylish shelves, always holds appeal. And don't forget decorative items like wall art, serving trays, and unique ornaments. These add character to homes. Each of these has unique selling points and targets a specific market. We'll explore these in detail, helping you identify the projects that align with your skills and target audience. Building a successful woodworking business starts with crafting quality products that stand the test of time. We'll guide you through selecting the right materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Mastering techniques, from precise cuts to flawless finishes, is key to creating pieces that are both beautiful and functional. And understanding the true cost of production, from materials to labor, is crucial for setting prices that ensure profitability. We'll discuss different pricing strategies, like cost-plus pricing and value-based pricing, so you can confidently price your work and earn a fair return on your time and effort. Now that you've mastered the art of crafting, it's time to get your woodworking business noticed. We'll explore various marketing avenues. Online platforms like Etsy and Facebook Marketplace offer a vast audience for handcrafted goods. Local craft fairs and farmers markets allow you to connect directly with customers, showcasing your work in person. But the key to success lies in presentation. High-quality photos and videos are essential for capturing attention online and in person. We'll provide tips on capturing your work's beauty, showcasing the details and craftsmanship that make your pieces stand out. So there you have it. We've covered the basics of turning your woodworking passion into a profitable business. Remember, with dedication and the right knowledge, you can turn your skills into a source of income. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and never stop refining your craft. The world of woodworking is vast and exciting. Embrace the journey, find your niche, and let your creativity flow. Who knows, your woodworking passion might just become your next big venture.